Hi, here let's explore the welding workshop where we have a 3D guided avatar explaining the things of the workshop. See, here we have a welding machine, a person is welding iron things. We can also have some kind of floating knowledge portals in order to learn the things. Here we can see an example of the knowledge portals of how the welding works in terms of video, image, PDF, audio, etc. we can have. This kind of knowledge portals will help you to learn the things faster. We also have an iron gate made using the welding, and the process is explained using these knowledge portals like video and image, etc. We can also have some activities like quiz, locate and identify. Let's try a locate activity. Here we are locating an iron gate. Here it is. Let's select and say OK, submit. It's correct. So these kind of activities will help you to learn more. Thank you.